Imagine living 18 minutes from downtown Colorado Springs, right next to a large open park with clear views of Pikes Peak, in the beautiful Northwind neighborhood nestled in central North Colorado Springs. This is a 4-bed, 4-bath, 2,700 square foot home on a 6,200 square foot lot. Cottonwood Creek Park, Cottonwood Trail, and Sunset Mesa open space are all within walking distance. There is also easy access to 3 nearby shopping centers. With an established neighborhood, location to parks, shopping, downtown, and plenty of space, this is the perfect place to call home. If you want to live close to everything Colorado Springs has to offer, this may be the perfect property for you. If you'd like to schedule a personal tour, please reach out to me. I'll see you next time.